Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my name is Maureen.
My name is Charlotte.
My name is Nasya.
My name is Iqbal Jordan.
And today we're going to make iced coffee. The ingredient is
Coffee powder,
sugar,
hot and cold water.
And the ice cube.
Okay, so let's get started.
First, pour the coffee powder and 1 tablespoon sugar into a glass. And then pour the hot water into the glass.
Next, stir until the coffee powder and sugar dissolve.
And then add the cold water and the ice cube to the glass.
A glass of iced coffee is ready to enjoy. Yummy!